Hello dear students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mohua for class 6 English. We have started our revision for unit test 4 and we also finished glossary, true or false and met the following. Today let's start our revision part MCQs from chapter 3 and 4. How much of Earth's water is drinkable? 1/2 of 1%. Do you know? So always we have to save water and save life. Desalination is the process of removing salt from seawater. Since when did people start making seawater drinkable? The ancient Greeks. Who started? The ancient Greeks. What is the first step of desalination? Heating water until steaming. What is the limitation of desalination by old method? Both A and B, but you have to learn proper answer. Can be done only in small amounts. Heating water to boil takes a lot of fuel. Scientists and engineers look for new ways to make desalination less costly. Next activity. David's parents left him the job of filling the water barrel. When David's parents assigned him some job, David was unwilling, saying that he had to go to the pasture to help it with animals. If David did not do the work assigned by his parents, he would be in trouble. David and his parents were proud of their house because they had built it themselves. What would be the water source for David and his parents later? Well, presently David and his parents brought water from a river. Why did David lean over the rim of the water barrel to check how low the water level is? Why did David sigh after looking into the water barrel? Because if he started filling the barrel, he had to think of washing all the other things he would prefer to do that morning. What was Pete hired for? To look after sheep in the pasture. If he filled up the water barrel that day, his parents would be happy and surprised. He wouldn't have to carry water for days together, both A and B. David got stumbled over the step and spilled the water over himself while he was bringing the third bucket of water. How many buckets did David bring to fill the water barrel? 30. David helped Pete doing fence work. Why did Pete cry out suddenly? He saw smoke coming from the distant house. David climbed to the top rail of the fence to see the smoke at a distance. Where was the smoke coming from? Cellar window. Correct answer D. Cellar window. David and Pete laid a hose to put out the fire. Do you know hose means? Big pipe. David did not run to get more water if in case Pete needed his help. What had chiefly caught the fire in the cellar? Dry lumber. Do you know dry lumber means? Log. Pete congratulated David for filling up the water barrel to its full capacity to have enough water to put out the fire. Next, what did a disciple of Buddha ask him once to get a new robe? What did Buddha do when the disciple asked him to get a new robe? He made sure that the old robe could not be used any longer. The disciple used his old robe as his bedspread. The disciple used his old bedspread as his new window curtain. What was the disciple using his old curtain for? For handling hot utensils in the kitchen. What was the use of the old cloth that the disciple used in the kitchen? For mopping the floor? With what reply of the disciple did Buddha feel satisfied? That he used the cloth rags as new wicks in the lamps. This passage reads about buildings made up with recycled trash. New homes in Haiti are called earthships. The new homes in Haiti are built with trash like tires and bottles. Aman Setu Primary School is in Pune, Maharashtra. The walls of Aman Setu Primary School are built using all the three means plastic bottles, cow dung, bamboo and straw. In the earth-bag technique of building a house, sacks are filled with earth and stacked one upon another. Children at Aman Setu take care of animals, grow some of the food they eat. Both happy. The uniforms of the students of Aman Setu Primary School are colored with vegetable dyes. For conserving energy, students of Aman Setu Primary School come to school in just one school bus. Coming to school jointly in a bus is an example of reducing. I hope you understand these MCQs, learn by heart, and I also send PDF of question answer. So learn from this chapter 3 and 4 by PDF. Okay, all the best. Thank you.